Meow.
Wait, so how do I play this game? What are the controls?
Oh god, Broden. Oh god.
I'm horrible.
Oh,
as
you've
well,
never
don't
played
worry.
Oh
Reverse
no.
sweep, reverse sweep.
I bump into every block possible.
I think it's Z to jump. I don't know the buttons. It's just a
almost a
feeling.
Yeah, let's just start it and then move around a little bit.
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah, true.
I'm ready.
Oh god, I'm so sorry. No. I thought you played before.
I've played once, but I suck.
Oh.
So, okay, wait, don't move forward. So it's
Okay, Z is jump.
okay, Z is jump.
And then X is grapple. When there's
that
like little white pieces, wait, let me show you. Hold on, let me show you. This is a grapple. So you can grapple onto the white pieces. Do you see that?
Oh, okay.
Arrow keys and ZXC basically.
Yeah.
Okay.
Wait, what's C?
Alright.
Your ability, you can pick them up. They're like
Oh!
like red shells, Mario Kart type shit.
Okay. Okay.
Yeah,
Alright.
yeah.
I feel confident.
Okay. You want to grab little blue boxes and then to use them, I think you when you go over speed boost, press spacebar and you'll use the boost.
Oh yeah, spacebar.
And then C gives you the you can use the special items that you get.
Yeah.
Okay.
All right.
And also, Tina's ranked 289 in the world, so we're gonna get
What?
real.
That
Oh my
what?
God.
What do you wait? What, no.
289 in
It's
the
fucking
world?
unbelievable.
What do you mean 289? Where'd you get that number
Oh
from?
my god.
You made it up, right?
No.
You did.
So I got like a box and I press C and it drops it.
Ow! Jesus, guys. No! Ah, you son of a
there's
gun.
These things too, right? We probably should have explained.
Oh,
Yeah,
oh
yeah,
no.
yeah.
Yeah, it's like the little it's like sides with some glue on them. Oh, you tried to get me with that box, didn't you? You
No.
Here. Oh, boop. Ah, wait, stop. Wendy, where'd you go? Jesus.
I'm dead.
Oh, wait, stop. Corpse.
Fuck.
Do you
Jeez.
use the arrow key for anything?
You use
Oh,
down
you were
try.
forced to hit that box, huh? You were forced to. I left you no other choice, oh. Oh.
Okay, Tina's scary.
She was cracked. I
She's
told you
actually- I
she's
told you.
cracked. I saw her play.
She's
She's
a menace.
insane.
A menace.
Wait, why did I hear Janet's voice? Janet?
Wait.
Oh, whoa.
Hi.
Wait, Janet's there.
Hi, Janet.
Hello, Janet. What? Ah! Oh.
Oh god, where am I? Who
Why
am
was I glitched through the wall?
Oh.
Excuse me? Who just... I'm sorry, I tried to get you just... I don't know.
Sometimes I don't remember who I am.
Oh.
Me too.
Wait, really?
Yeah. Like, or like,
Oh,
I
in
just
the
like look.
game.
Uh...
Game, guys. I didn't mean like, you know.
Oh.
I mean, in
Oh,
game,
Broden.
Can you change the controls? Z in space feels so weird to me.
It does feel weird. It does. To be absolutely fair, it does. Oh, no, friends, wait up. Oh god, no god.
Oh my goodness.
How do you stop like faster? Like, how do you stop?
Stop what?
Like when you're going to that corner, how do you make a tighter turn?
What are you
what I
talking
mean.
about?
Like when
A
you're
court?
going down-
What? Hello?
God.
Wendy? What the heck was that?
Wait,
Oh, I
what?
thought it
No,
was...
I was waiting.
Oh, why?
What? Well, because he was like in the corner, not moving. Ah!
So what made you guys get off Tricky Towers?
No particular reason. I don't know.
We were having too much fun.
Ass game,
That
honestly.
does happen.
Item.
Just no particular reason. So, what'd you guys do today? Whoa.
Watch your Genshin Impact stream.
What? Hey, what is this? You did?
No.
Oh
Yeah.
shoot.
Did you receive your free Primo gems? He supports me.
You.
Oh, I'm sorry. That was unnecessary. I didn't mean to. I knew what you were going
really
to do.
Fun, even though I suck at it. I feel like I want to get better at it.
Yeah, get better at it, and then we can play it lots. Lots and lots and lots, because I never get tired of it.
But what about Tricky Towers, Tina?
You know what?
Oh my god, that 8 p.m. Holy crap. Wait, Tina's literally just like she's just going easy on us.
Tina's like
Holy
literally.
crap.
She's 289.
Thanks, guys. I am gonna be part of the Tricky Tower tourney. That's why I'm boosting my ego right now because I was so crushed earlier.
Oh, what's that? An Vincent drill.
Are you guys getting stuff unlocked?
It's so
Yeah.
hard to like learn how to play against Tina. Literally everyone's bad.
That's okay.
Meow meow. Boop.
So like the little blocks are your boost. When you run past it, it like builds up.
Oh, okay. Sorry.
Oh my Broden!
Fuck.
Oh my god, she's using Shadow Jitsu, dude.
Oh.
I swear. She's going so fast. She just stopped. Oh my god.
Oh no.
There's no way she knows the trick for this area.
The trick
Wait,
for this
she-
area?
Yeah.
No,
oh
no, no,
my-
no.
What?
Hmm.
Oh. What?
Damn it.
You're a fast learner though, what the heck?
I must reverse sweep.
Oh god, I just walked through every
Oh god. I went backwards. Wait, who am I?
Oops.
What? Hello? Broda, you're doing so well.
Thank you.
I'm impressed, actually.
She's waiting for us?
She taunted.
Yeah, she's waiting for us.
She taunted. She's not waiting. She fucking emailed.
I walked through every box.
Don't do it, Tina. Don't do it.
Don't do what?
No, no, no.
You guys are actually so good.
Oh.
No.
Bro, is this actually your first time playing?
Yes, first time
It's
playing.
impressive, right?
Cracked. Holy shit.
Oh god.
Oh, sorry. I ran a little fast. I speed ran. I'm being a little toxic, if you will. Guys, I had to do it. My ego was crushed. You understand, right? You get it.
Yeah, of course. Of
You
course.
understand. It hurt me, it did. It hurt
Yeah,
me.
of course.
It hurt me. It hurt
Mother, I
me.
was too tall.
Oh, whoa, Broden. He learns so fast.
No!
I'm stuck. No.
Whoa, fast boy Broden. Relax.
Whoa!
Yeesh.
Oh!
Excuse. Why did it go for me? That was my own rocket.
Oh.
Oh, Broden.
You're crazy.
Oh no, Broden.
No, 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 no.
Oh,
No.
my. Oh.
Broden. Broden, Broden, Broden. Oh, Broden.
No.
Oh, Broden. Oh, Broden.
How do I dodge that? What?
Oh,
Oh my gosh,
Broden.
she waited.
Oh, Broden.
Oh.
Oh,
my
Broden.
God.
That was a good counter.
Oh, I lose.
Wow.
Oh,
Oh,
Broden.
I see how to do that part
You
now.
have a challenge, yeah.
What? You think I have a
I
challenge?
think he's a prodigy.
We'll see. We'll see about that. We'll see. We'll
I did
see.
off of Flash games.
Toying with her food.
Mm,
Jeez.
this calls for a special occasion. What? Stop.
I just tapped for a second.
No! Don't tab.
I agree.
Okay. No! No.
Oh, I forgot.
Oh no.
Oh no.
Forgot.
Oh, you went up that way. Interesting. Interesting that you would opt for that way.
Oh, what's that do? Oh my god, look at her just jump over that ball like it's nothing.
Whee!
Fuck.
Oh my gosh, she sits there
Ah!
and
Wait!
Fuck.
Oh, I hit every ball. Oh my god, please. No, stop!
Oh no.
She stopped again! Oh my god. It's too much, it's too much.
What? Oh, no.
Wow.
He
It's the
tried it.
boxes that get me.
It's the boxes. They are your downfall, corpses.
Oh frick, my fingers are on the tricky tower.
Oh my god, you've been playing for too
My
long.
fingers are on the tricky tower keys. Oh my god.
Looks like we gotta go back.
Oh, no, please. Just a little longer.
Oh god.
Boop, boop. Wow. What? Hello?
No, damn it.
Oh my god.
Oh no. No!
Oh, the bomb.
You really tried it. I
There's,
can't
like,
believe
so
it.
much finesse in the movement. It's crazy. Oh.
No.
Fuck.
I'ma get you. Gotcha. Ah!
Oh my god. She's
I'ma get you. I'm glad you guys are studying the pathways, though.
Oh god.
I have to. I have no other choice.
It's true.
I just dropped the box in your face. How did it taste, Broden? Oh,
Fine.
that wasn't
Where
me.
am I?
Whee!
No, I did the thing where I didn't do the thing and I didn't do the thing. Oh god. Thanks for waiting, Tina.
No problem.
Thanks.
Still alive? What the heck kind of achievement is that? Why did it give me that? Of all things.
Oh my god. Oh my god.
Oh, Wandy. Oh, Wandy. Wait, Broden's.
Oh, I lost it.
Oh,
Which one's the jump? Oh god.
what? Oh. Whee!
Ah! Da-ba-da.
Wait, so how do you dodge the missile?
no.
They're okay. You know the thing that like kind of explodes. The blue one. You can
Blue
make
one.
the missile deflect with that.
Oh god, I walked into a bunch of boxes. Oh.
Oh, the box is getting little. This is our. Okay, it's getting a little too close. It ends here.
Oh my god. That's actually crazy.
Mm.
Oh, I got a new map.
Guys, I don't know if I should be hosting. I literally only have 2 maps.
That doesn't matter.
Oh, it doesn't matter? How come we always get the same map then?
I don't know.
That's a
Isn't
good
it the
question.
same map?
Well,
Like over and over
It's
again?
great for me to practice.
That's true.
oh, you see this thing? So when a rocket is coming towards you, I'll just let someone.
Holy!
Ah,
Why did I
okay.
get the? Why did I get the aftermath of that?
Corpse, no! My door, my special secret door. Herm.
Oh my god.
Okay.
I don't know why I walked up here.
You guys are just going against yourselves.
Thanks, Tina.
No problem.
Hey, thanks. Ah! Ah!
So cool thing you could do is, you know how you had 3 boxes? Hey, stop that.
Yeah?
You can actually, you can use the boxes to block the hook instead of dodging it by dropping a box at the same time.
Oh.
You just did it to one of my old ones. On accident,
Yeah,
I think.
I was limit testing. No, it was on
Oh,
purpose.
Okay.
Oh god. Oh jeez.
Oh.
No,
Interesting.
please. I didn't mean it. I didn't mean it.
Okay, Broden, it's getting a little too close. No more. I've had enough. No more,
No.
Broden. Listen, Broden, you don't want this. Okay? You don't want it. You don't want it. You don't want the smoke. Stop. Broden, please.
Wait.
No.
Oh my god.
No, I ruined it. No.
Dude, when you have that small of a box and you're not used to the map, like.
It was pretty good, right? Oh god, corpse. He's alive! He lives!
I waited and then I died.
I appreciate the sentiment.
Yep. It's fine.
Oh.
Oh.
He's the prodigy. Broden.
Thanks for clarifying.
Oh.
He said, thanks for clarifying. I'm so sorry, I didn't mean it like that. He's our special boy. He's so talented. It's Broden.
Oh my gosh.
Oh, that's the wrong way.
What the hell? Oh, it's blocked off.
God. Wee. Bop, 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 bop. You want to use that?
No.
Okay. Be my guest.
She's Tarzan. What else is she?
Wee. Meow.
Okay. The way you did that swing, it feels so nice now when I see that because it's like, the perfect swing.
Yeah.
Oh. Meow. Meow, 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 meow. It ends about here, maybe? No. Not yet. Oh.
The box.
The box.
The box is my downfall.
Is it every time? Wow, we really are getting like the same map over and over again.
I'm in for it.
Yeah, I don't know why though. Like, why is it?
Hmm.
Oh, hey, Tina.
Hey, what's up?
Hey, show me the ropes.
Okay. So sometimes you can go. Oh, sometimes when you're like a little lazy, you can just, and then you don't have to duck. See?
What do you mean? Wait,
Use
what do
the
you mean,
fireball.
you? It was me.
What do you mean? I just used it. Huh? Hello?
Oh, well, but I thought you were teaching me what to do with my stuff.
Oh, no. I was just giving you a little
Instructed
demonstration.
me. Oh, okay.
Yeah, a little,
Yeah.
little demonstration, you know. There's nothing to it. Oh god, you're gonna use one of those hooks, aren't you?
How do you? Oh, that's how you
Like
do
that. Like that.
it. I just ran through every single. I just ran through every single block.
Hmm.
Me, every round.
You're so cracked.
Oh, this is interesting. So you just start like at like a random part of the map.
I think it's kind of like close to where you last finished.
Oh, I see.
Mm-hmm. No.
Damn it!
What? Oh, the drill! Use that if you're behind.
Yeah. This?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, sick.
Oh, why did I opt for this path? Hmm.
Oh,
Interesting.
I didn't know you could spacebar at any point.
Oh no.
What?
That's a pretty big advantage
Wait,
you're
are you
missing out
serious?
on.
That's a really.
I thought it was
Are
just
you-
the boost zones.
You're fucked, Tina.
I'm not I'm not. What do you say it again? I dare you. Say it again. Say it again. You won't. You won't. You won't. I tell you. You won't. You, no. Oh. Oh, that was on a hot pursuit.
Oh,
Hey, you stop
I didn't
it
jump
right
the right
now.
place.
You stop it, corpse. You stop it. You think that'll do anything?
oh my god.
I can outrun rockets.
Oh my god.
Oh my
And I
gosh,
can
it
freeze
turned into
you.
an ice cube.
I can't believe you.
No.
How dare you? But You dare question me? This is my reign. You're in my turf. This is my kingdom. Everything I look at, it's all mine. Every little bit of it, and don't
God.
you forget it.
Bro, you're the last airbender.
Ooh. Ow, Jesus.
Oh no. Oh no.
Broden.
Tina, no.
No, please don't.
Tina, no.
Broden. Broden.
We can talk through this, okay?
No, I don't want to talk.
Oh my god. I think it was all the tricky towers, guys. I think it was all the tricky towers.
Oh, I'm like Azula then.
Oh,
If he's the last airbender.
Ooh, I opened up a mansion.
Huh?
I said I
Is
opened up
Emma
a
in the chat?
mansion.
Emma? She is.
Emma, our beloved. She said, "Get him." You're talking about Broden, right? Not me, right?
Can you guys vote for any other map? Oh.
Oh.
Yeah, I can go for other maps. What the heck is this?
Oh,
Swift.
So now you have to relearn the entire game.
Oh my god.
Isn't that fun though? Isn't that
Yeah.
fun? Isn't that all the joy?
Right, guys?
Yeah, of course it is.
Fucking duck the freeze ray.
Yeah!
Oh.
Hey, stop!
Wait.
Oh my god. Broden.
No.
No, Broden, no! She wants to turn you into an ice
Yo.
cube. Make her regret
He
it!
doesn't know the map.
No.
Make her regret it! No! Oh, Broden. The prodigy.
Wow.
He is a prodigy.
Frick.
Nice try.
Hey, it was worth a shot.
Oh.
I can't believe you!
What the fuck?
I always miss that.
What the frick?
Come
on, man. I'm just a lowly noob.
Oh no, I tripped. I'm out.
Oh god.
Oh, thank you.
We both rolled
Oh
around
no.
like roly-poly-olies. That was
Roly
so
poly
funny.
olies.
Roly-poly-olies.
Hey, yeah! Jeez!
I hit everything!
Okay, this
Oh
one?
god, I hit it again.
Oh
no.
no.
Oh god.
Corpse, what?
What?
Rodeo emote
Yeah.
in the middle of a game.
I was dead. He deserves love.
He does deserve love. Whoa, who is that for? Be honest. Whee! This one's just a lot of swinging, isn't it?
This map is actually really fun because of the swinging.
A lot of swanging. Oh, you would love nightclub then.
What's nightclub?
You'll see. Whee!
Frick! These turns!
Yeah, when you're swinging off on that corner.
Huh?
I can't tell when you're swinging off in the corner.
What do you mean?
Like I didn't see like a.
There's a little thing.
There's a little white thing.
Okay. Oh, this one.
Have we done this one before?
Nope.
Down there, right?
Guys, don't go down there, okay? It's for rookies. Alright? Ah! Stop!
I don't
Get
know
out of here,
where
get
I'm
out.
going because I've never been on this map. And I'm just...
No, Tina.
Oh, that was rude.
What was it?
Fuck yourself, maybe.
Okay! Whee! Oh.
Am I supposed to go this way?
The
Oh,
wall jumps are my
God.
weakness.
Oh, jeez. Oh. I don't know this map.
You're gonna try to use that on me. And it won't work. Oh, 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 oh.
What?
I'll just hit every box on the way, thank you.
Oh my god.
Wow.
Do you see like the finesse of the movements? Like you just what the heck did I just watch?
That's insane.
Like it's just like where is she, how she jumps, and like how long, and like just exactly like just everything. I can't handle it.
My little
Sure,
popsicle
sure.
boys.
How do you function?
Whee!
Oh, I missed.
You like boxes? You like them
No.
for breakfast?
Ah. God. Oh God.
Oh. Hmm.
Sick.
Who's the Ice Queen?
Meow, meow, meow. Ah, wait.
Go, 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 go.
No, no. He said, "Go, go, get her." Oh yes, of course. Say it isn't so. Not a single one. Way to ruin my day. Hmm. Meow.
No, please, no. Oh my god.
Broden, he's back in it. Whoa, Broden, with the shortcut.
Hey, come on now.
I see, Broden. You think you got what it takes, huh?
I hope I do.
Oh, Broden.
No, I don't.
Eat my dirt.
The box feels so BM.
Oh, you went back for the speed boost, huh? And that was your downfall. Never make that mistake again.
This is just like your evil like fucking play pit or some shit. You're enjoying this way too much.
Okay, this is LG for me. Oh, I can't. This
Wait,
is
we didn't
getting
even
too
get to
hard.
nightclub. Your favorite.
What's nightclub?
You'll
Where's
love
the
it. You'll
nightclub?
love it. It's the best.
Oh, okay.
Everybody
Sorry,
pick
Tina.
random
Okay.
Yep.
so that
I'm
maybe we
ready.
get there.
Okay, Tina.
Oh, except
Random, everyone choose random, guys.
please, nightclub, please. Oh my, this is the worst map.
This is the mansion.
This is
Where-
the worst one. I'm not even kidding. GG. Bad map.
Yeah, I agree.
Oh.
Not good for
Maybe we
so
should
many
just
reasons. No, don't stop. But like also, it's just because the map is like not the best. I will say. It's just not fun. I don't know. Are you having fun? Are you enjoying this? No, right? It's not a good map, right? It's not good.
Yeah, I hate it. Yeah.
Sitting there.
It's so bad.
Just do what she says.
Dude, Jesus. It's
Broden is rolling through the spike. Yeah.
it's awful.
Lots of fun.
It's not fun, right? Are you having a good time? No. It's not good. It's not a good map.
So
Tricky
funny.
Towers.
No. Only this
Wait,
game.
What the heck? How do you do this? Oh, okay. What? Why?
I-
didn't do anything
I-
at the beginning.
I didn't mean to do it. I don't know why, but for some... Oh my god, see, the reason why that map is so bad is because you can just lose there, and for what? Stupid.
What?
Which way?
Oh my goodness, guys.
Not the game for me. Oh.
What do you mean?
so
Wait, no.
horribly bad.
You're not bad. You're not bad. Please.
I'm horridly
No,
bad at
you're
this
not.
game.
You're not bad. You're not bad. I promise.
You're actually not bad. Tina's just really fucking good.
You're not bad. You're not bad. You're doing very well. What the? Why did I go that way? Why'd you follow me?
I'm just copying you.
No, don't do that.
Can you go all the way around with that? I wonder.
Whee!
Yes!
Yes! Yeah, wait, that's never happened to me before.
I did it!
You blew me up to the sky. What the
You
fuck?
fucking won.
Oh
You
my
won the
God.
game. That's it.
That's never
That's so
happened to me
sick.
before. Oh my
I'm
god.
telling you, you got a problem.
No, stop saying that. I don't like it. Stop it. Stop it, stop it, stop it.
Oh no. Oh no.
I was so
Oh.
excited I wasn't paying attention.
Wait, Wendy's laugh is the best thing ever. Oh my god. Oh my god, I love Wendy's laugh.
I just fucking rolled all over those spikes.
Where are you going?
I said never mind.
I'm done. I escaped the spikes, man. I'm telling you. Oh, where am I going?
We tried to cheese Wendy. That's what we get.
Did we? I
Trigger
was just
tower.
lost. I didn't try to do anything.
Oh.
I was just confused.
Oh my god.
I was just so hecking confused.
Guys, there's a better one. It's called
Yeah, but
Nightclub.
what are we gonna-
Vote
yeah,
for
but
it.
How are we gonna how?
Tina, we don't have
I don't
it
have
unlocked. We
it.
can't vote
Which
for
ones
it.
do you have unlocked?
We
I have
have.
the first 3.
I have the first 3. That's it.
Jesus Christ.
Is that okay?
You know what? Yes, random it
Another
is.
Day,
It's random. You know, it
imagine
probably.
again at random.
You know, it makes sense that we got the same ones because like 2 of us only has 3 maps.
Yeah.
Hmm. Wee. Oh, Broden.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I don't like going to the top. Why do I go to the top?
Corpse.
What?
You had a bomb in your pathway.
I'm alive.
Yeah, you sure are. For
Ow.
now.
No!
It's over.
We're back.
It's over. Or maybe it isn't. No, now it's over. Oh. Alrighty, cool.
2 more.
What?
rounds,
Wendy? Wendy said be right
more
back.
rounds.
Wrong way. Oh.
Okay, I'm back. Okay, we could go. Wait, Tina? Okay, let's go.
Go on. Go on.
Thanks for waiting. Thanks for waiting. All
What
right,
the
yeah.
corpse?
Oh god, I just hit everything.
Drilled. You just got drilled.
Ah!
Oh, Jesus. What happened back there?
Oh, such tight
No
corners
fucking
that I can't.
mercy.
Ah! Ah!
You went backwards?
To drill her
I had to
multiple
dodge.
times.
Wait, do I have to go up? Oh god.
Yeah, of course you do.
I have to
What?
go down. Tina, I don't know. I don't know.
It's
know
okay, it's okay.
anything. Ah! This is
Literally playing with
bullying.
her food.
This is bullying. Oh god.
Oh
Ah! This is bullying. This has to be bullying, right?
my god.
Wait, how do you do that?
Oh,
Wendy.
Wendy!
Wait, no, but how do you do the thing?
So you
did it.
just
No, no. She-
wait. Okay, I'll teach you. We can all have a group lesson.
What at the other end of the
okay.
map?
Yeah, hold on. We'll get there.
All right, let's just all travel together.
Okay.
Okay.
Oh,
okay.
well, you're kind of going a little fast. I thought you wanted to. I don't know.
I'm
Well,
just
I wanted
touching
a
the boxes.
lesson, actually. Yeah, wait, where is it? It's coming up, no? It's coming up, it's coming up.
Yeah. Okay, so what you want to do? Class is in session. Make sure you have enough speed boost. And as you're here, turn around, jump.
Oh.
You know?
Wait, I think I did it.
Ah, what the heck?
Ah!
So you need speed boost for that?
Kinda, yeah.
So are we back in regular?
Yeah, we're back in regular
Yep.
session.
You just.
Oh,
Whoa.
drill.
I go up here sometimes because there's an item. You know? And up here, there's always that little yeah. You get the drill. You don't need me anymore. Then you spin, jump, ba-da-da-ba-ba-ba.
We die together, Wendy.
Holy
Oh, why'd you
moly.
go down there? Huh? Why? Why'd you do that?
Calculated.
Calculated. Oh. Not the right timing for that. Not the right time. That'll be your downfall.
I think she does like. I'm trying to study Tina's movements. Interesting. Oh my, that
That tech,
right
that
there,
tech.
Yeah.
that right there.
It's very important.
Finesse. That saves her like 40,000 years of
Yeah.
speed.
It's
It's
true.
actually insane.
It's true. It's true. You guys will all die on that corner. It's corner of death. Don't forget it. Oh no.
No,
I
I
didn't mean to hit
turned
you with that,
into
I'm
an ice
sorry.
cube.
Oh, he said sorry. Pew, boop, boop.
No,
Wow.
every time.
Oh, God.
See,
But
when you don't
it
have
feels-
boost for
It
that.
feels less lonely
Hmm.
with me down here.
You tried it, didn't you? Didn't you?
Oh.
No. Say sorry.
Oh my God.
Right meow.
Tina as a murderer is the scariest fucking shit.
Oh. There's a fire within me. It's lit. It's burning brightly. Let's go again.
I got a new map.
Wendy said that was.
One more.
How do
No,
you
you know,
feel,
let's
Wendy?
play a game
Wendy,
where we're
I'll
all
give you
really good at
2
it, guys.
rounds.
What do you mean you'll give me 2 rounds?
She'll let you off easy.
You'll just win the next 3. I don't
And
understand. Tina.
well, you could get 1. You could catch me slipping, and then you have 1 round against me.
Alright, this is LG for speedrunners. There's no more. I can't. It hurts. It just hurts. It just hurts. There's nothing.
Oh my
nothing
god,
to
this
it.
map, are you joking? Wait, this is the worst map.
We have a 33% chance every time we choose random to get this map.
It's horrible. Oh, wait, sorry.
Why don't we just choose one of the other 2 maps?
That's true.
Oh. Shoot.
Oh.
Okay, I said I would give it to Wendy, not you guys.
Well, I'm not gonna get it, so.
Why is the music so intense? What is this? Bum, 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 bum. Oh my god, wrong way. Wendy, no! Alright, okay. Ah!
Oh.
That's what
course you did.
I get. I don't know if I can.
This is when we come back.
Yeah. We're revolting.
It's 3v1.
I'm trying to
Especially
give
with
Wendy some
3v1.
rounds and you guys are being selfish.
I feel like me, Corpse, and Wendy get 3, then we win.
Yeah.
Oh yeah. We'll be a group effort.
If you wanted to get Wendy
No.
around, you play Tricky Towers.
She already got many of those, okay? She doesn't need more. Oh. Oop, 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 oop.
Do those eventually explode, or they
What's
just,
wrong
like,
with you?
light up red? Oh, I don't know how to do the swingy part. Oh, nice dodge.
You hurt your own teammate, huh? Huh?
Broden, you're our last hope.
I got this,
Broden.
guys.
Gotta use your speed boost. Oh,
Oh no.
God.
Oh no.
I don't have the tech.
The tech. All right, guys. This is for Wendy. Don't be selfish. Okay. No. Stay down.
That was fucked.
It's for Wendy only. Wendy, you're making it so difficult.
Listen.
I gave
I'm
you a
not good at this
tactical
game,
advantage.
man.
Oh my
I just got
god.
grabbed.
Oh my god. You fools.
It's hard, man.
You bumbling fools.
Go on without me.
Jesus Christ.
I'm a fool.
Oh my goodness. Oh my. Okay, Wendy, you go ahead. Okay.
Wait, which way?
Just keep going. Go where you're supposed to.
I don't know.
Quickly.
I don't know.
Run without him. Quickly.
Ah!
He's trying to be selfish. I can feel it in my bones.
I'm not being selfish.
Oh!
See?
I'm sorry. Oh, Jesus Christ.
Wait, what? Is it this way?
This way, this way. Oh my god. Yow.
It's a struggle. I'm not meant for this game.
Yes, you are. You're so good.
I'm not meant for this game, I'm telling you.
You're so good. Oh my god. Jesus, it's for Wendy!
You're fumbling, fool.
Okay, wait. Wendy, go.
We did it.
Wendy, go.
Take it,
I'm
Wendy.
going! Wow, what a win!
All right, 2-2.
Oh!
We're tied, everybody.
Hmm.
One more and the tyranny will be over.
Tyranny.
Oh my god, the tyranny.
I like how we all went top.
It's not even the good one, right?
We all did that.
Hello?
Go, go, go.
Weaver in the dust.
Weaver in the dust,
Wait,
Weaver
we
in the
did
dust.
it.
It's a 3v1
Okay.
now, it doesn't matter who
Guys,
wins.
we won.
Wait, I thought you. Wait, I was giving 2 to Wendy.
Is that what's happening?
Yes!
Wait, then,
Oh,
then we already win.
No,
Guys.
Wendy has 1 round.
good.
What are you doing?
We got it.
Yeah, no, I think there's been a miscommunication.
We got it. We got
We
it.
won.
Guys, no.
We won the game.
No, you didn't. I don't
You
understand. You know. What are you talking about? Stop saying that. People are gonna believe you.
Oh, what the?
Oh my god, you guys zoomed. Oh my god, she's...
Screenshot it, hurry.
Stop! Don't say that! Oh, ouch. I'll make you pay, corpse. I'll make you pay. I'll make you pay, I tell you.
Oh my god, oh my god!
You bumbling fool. You dare go against me. I'll make you pay, I will.
Oh no. Oh my gosh, it's just throwing boxes at you.
Ah! No!
Oh, Corp, stop!
Screenshot it. Screenshot it. Screenshot.
Screenshot.
That was a
Yeah, Alt
legit
F4,
win.
Alt F4, we're gonna get out.
Fuck
We're gonna
yourself.
get out.
Fuck
We
yourself.
take our win and we leave. We take our win and we leave.
The
Oh
tyranny
my
is over.
god.
It's over.
What do you
It's
mean the tyranny's over? Oh my god.
Oh my god.
Good job.
Every country around the world is cheering right now.
Guys, why are you making me a public enemy? Stop. It's not that bad. I'm pretty nice to you guys, I think.
We took
Yeah,
down number
you were.
289.
Can you stop? What is that? Is not even real.
Number 29. Collectively, we did it as a team. Oh my god. I can breathe again.
What do you mean you can breathe?
Listen, that game made me like hold my breath. I couldn't like,
Who are we playing
Breathe.
against?
What?
what?
We were playing with a random black dragon.
Wait. Wendy, are you done?
Oh yeah, it was my LG.
Oh,
for
no.
That game, at least.
Are you trying to twisty towers or what? What's up, Wendy?
Yeah, I can play anything else, just no more speed.
Oh god.
No more speed runners. No.
You see, as soon as a random goes in the lobby, she just goes full sweat.
Well, I can't have a random like I don't know. I don't know. You know.
Like,
I mean,
oh my
let's
God.
I just hope they didn't see the screenshot. That'd be a little embarrassing.
Oh please! I gave those to you. I spoon fed you. Spoon fed you. I tell you.
No, we defeated number 289. We defeated number 289.
Yeah, yeah.
39 down.
Yeah,
I
yeah,
can't
yeah.
believe this. I can't believe it.
Let me just inhale my copium. Come on. You gotta give it to us.
All
man.
right, you can have it.
Yeah,
Jeez,
yeah.
what
Yeah,
is it?
we won, we
Hello,
won.
sir. Uh. You fool.
Jeez.
This top level gameplay. Oh my God.
Shit.
It's over for you.
Oh my God.
Alright.
Alrighty.
Do you feel like towers?
We could play towers and I can have my ego crushed again. That's
We gotta
fine.
bring her back down to earth. You know what I mean?
Gotta go do scrims.
Gotta bring her
Tina
back to
playtime
planet
is
Earth.
over.
I don't know. She was kind of floating up to the stars,
It's
the moon,
all
actually, in
over
fact.
for me.
to the moon. In fact,
It's all over.
I can't believe we're playing Tricky Towers.
Why?
I don't know.
We played it
I've
for
been
4
listening
hours
to
today
this
while I
music
was
all
there.
day.
Oh, true.
Wait, Corpse has also played just as much.
Yeah, well, almost.
A little bit less than me, but just as much, honestly.
I want to play Friday the 13th.
Wait, can I see if I can buy a prettier skin for my blocks? Hold on, hold.
Wait, look at this fucking
Oh, you
screenshot.
have the candy one.
Where's the screenshot corpse?
Never mind. Actually, I'll just stick to the stars.
Where is it?
I'll DM it to you.
Yes, you captured it. With the reaction.
You showed it to
So perfect.
Broden first.
No,
It's
it's
in
in, the,
homies.
it's in the homies chat. I also DM'd it to you.
Oh,
You're fucking face palming hard as fuck. It is so funny.
listen. I just can't believe how hard you guys celebrated. That's all. I spoon feeded that to you.
No, you didn't.
Yes, I
You
did.
spoon fed me crates until it bit you.
But that was funny, wasn't it? Didn't you like it?
I did when you lost.
Oh. Well, you're not being
I'm
very
the wolf.
nice. You're
My
not being
free
you're
fruit
not
coffee
being
or
very
tea is about
sweet.
I'm the
Fire.
wolf.
Oh. Furry?
What?
Furry, thanks for the sub.
Wendy, you gonna let her talk to you like that?
Oh, whoa,
wait,
wait
what
a
did she
second.
What did she say?
Slasher, thanks for the 5 gifted. Thank you. Thank you,
Sure.
thank you.
Oh,
So true.
what part makes me a furry?
Stevix, thanks for the 2 gifted. Thank you,
Thank you,
Stevix.
You're gonna take
Thank
that
you.
from a girl wearing cat ears.
Wait.
Right now.
Gideon, thanks for the $100. Oh my god. And Darth that Vation, thanks for the
Wow,
150.
Tina.
Wait, what the heck? Oh, that's so sweet. Thank you. Thanks. That's so nice. I'm sorry I missed that. Like an hour ago. Jesus.
Some furry ears
What?
on there.
Oh,
You look looking real furry on your ears.
where?
What do you mean where? What do you mean where?
I don't know what you're talking about.
Alright, get in here.
Why not?